In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple mobile app using Bubble.io. This platform is great for beginners and experienced developers alike, offering a no-code environment to quickly bring your app ideas to life. Let's jump right in and get started on this exciting journey. First, you'll need to open a web browser and head over to Bubble.io. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Bubble homepage, look towards the upper right corner and you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click that button. You'll be prompted with various ways to log in, but for simplicity, let's choose to continue with Google. This option allows you to sign in using your Google account, which streamlines the login process and keeps everything nice and secure. Now that you've clicked on the option to continue with Google, you'll see all the accounts linked to your Google. Select the one you want to use. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to confirm this choice by clicking Continue. This step is just a security measure to ensure you're giving the right permissions to Bubble.io. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on Bubble's user dashboard. If you're new to this, the abundance of options might seem overwhelming, but don't worry. Start by clicking on Create with AI, a feature that Bubble offers to ease your development process. Although you can start from a blank slate, Create with AI is particularly recommended for beginners as it simplifies the initial setup of your app. After selecting Create with AI, it's time to choose the type of app you want to create. Since we're focused on mobile app development, go ahead and click on Mobile App. This selection lays down the framework needed for an app that runs on smartphones and tablets. Next, you'll see a prompt to start with basic features. Click on it. What this does is set up a skeleton for your app, complete with fundamental features that every app typically needs. Now here comes the creative part. You'll need to type in some keywords or an idea of what your app is about. It's essential to be clear and concise here, as these keywords guide the AI in generating the initial design and functionality for your app. Once you've typed in your idea, click Send. Bubble's AI will start working on creating the first draft of your app. It may take a moment for the AI to generate the app, so be patient and give it some time. When the app is generated, you'll have the opportunity to edit various elements, such as text, images, and layout, according to your specific requirements and preferences. Feel free to experiment with these elements until you're satisfied with how your app looks and feels. If you need any help while designing, you can always ask for assistance using the AI window located on the left side of the screen. Once you've made all your adjustments and you're ready to see how your app functions, look to the upper right corner